What's the meaning of aspiration? Aspiration. Aspiration.
Aspiration. Aspiration. Aspiration generally refers to a strong desire or ambition to achieve something great, typically related to personal or professional goals. It can be seen as a source of motivation and drive to pursue success or fulfill one's life purpose. Aspirations are often linked to individual values, belief systems, and life experiences. Pursuing one's aspirations may result in personal growth, increased self-esteem, and the fulfillment of one's potential. Alternatively, some individuals may experience disappointment or frustration if their aspirations are not met, leading to feelings of failure or inadequacy.